Okay, guys, today I'm going to go over how to get the graph done for the Star in the Box lab. So I am assuming you have already gotten the VLab packet that includes the data table and the graph. So what am I talking about? Data table. This is your data table. And you are ready to graph at this point. So you have this, and your data table is complete. I'm going to show you on here. I've gotten a couple of the main sequence stars, and I'm going to graph the first two for you, and hopefully that'll be enough to get you started, or remind you if we started in class and you suddenly are working on it and don't remember what to do there. I would advise making sure you have the graph set up correctly. So double check, did you see in class? You have these numbers. Remember, they go 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000. The big line down the middle is 10,000. Then it jumps to 20,000, 30,000, all the way up to 90,000. And the last one's 100,000. You are either graphing the main sequence or the year that you were assigned. In every group, one of you were doing the main sequence and one of you were doing the year that was assigned. This is important when we get to the mastery check because it's going to ask several questions, and if you don't have that information, you're going to be confused. Okay? So you've got your graph set up. You've got your data table done. This is complete. You know if you are graphing the main sequence or the assigned time. You're ready to move on to this. Okay, I did not put all the numbers in here because it just gets confusing with the numbers already there. And I'm only graphing a couple numbers anyway. My first number, the temperature is 3,290. And the luminosity is 0.0062. Remember, yours may be a little bit different, and that is absolutely fine. So don't think because yours says 3,350 that you're wrong. That's close enough in the terms of Kelvin. Okay, so 3,290 and 0.0062. What I'm going to do is what I'm going to do first is come down to the 0.0062. I want 001. I want 0062. So I want to come down to this line. I need 3,000. Here's my 3,000 something. So a little bit about there. I need to go up to where the 6 would be. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're talking about somewhere around here, and I'm going to draw a circle like so. And I know I'm going to fill it in red later. I'm going to do red now. Okay. There. I got my first. So is this exactly where it should be? I don't know. Close enough. Now I'm going to go get my next number. Okay, 4,020 and 0.09. So 0.09 is going to be almost on that line, 0.1, 0.09. So it would be almost basically touching that line by the time I draw the circle, and 420. So it's going to be just past 4,000. So again, oops, I forgot. I didn't draw the circle. Okay, grab circle. Almost touching and basically on the 4,000 line. Okay, and again, I happen to know the first two colors are red. How did I know I'm doing this in red? Good question. That is part of the info packet. Go back to VLab Stars. Yes, please. So on the second page of VLab Stars, if you scroll down, or you flip the page if you got your paper copy handy, it tells me that the first two stars, the 0.2 and the 0.65, are the red spectral class. I'm going to color them in red. Last year I used stickers, and I just don't see the point to the stickers. In class, I have the color pencils, so if you don't have color pencils, not a problem. Just grab the color pencils in class. The next two stars are going to be orange, then yellow, then green, then blue. And then when you're all done, you will have a completed picture here. I will check the picture for you if you want me to do a quick check, make sure that they look right. Once you have your chart done and your graph done, and your partner has their graph done, then you will have time to click on this. And this is a Google form, and you'll be able to complete this. Notice this is going to put you in a lock mode. So make sure you have your papers in front of